Hi everyone, Eugene here at Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video I just wanted to show you what you get in the box when you get the Panasonic LUMIX L10 Titanium Gold Edition. Of course, we have some beautiful versions for this camera. We've got the silver and black, we have the black version, and my favorite and probably everyone's favorite, the Titanium Gold. So besides the camera difference, and we're just gonna set these aside for now, you're gonna get some other goodies in the box as well. So we've got an automatic lens cap. We're gonna leave this on the side, and a nifty little bag to stay in. We've got a dedicated strap, and besides the strap, we also have a really helpful lens cleaner that's made of microfiber. So we're going to set that on the side, and then I'm going to show you first and foremost how you can connect the camera, how you can strap it properly so that it's nice and secure. It's going to really help you with taking really nice and stable images on your travels. And then we're going to show you how you can install the automatic lens cap as well. So let's get the lens cap out of the way for now. And I think the first thing I wanted to just help you understand is that there are two parts or two sides to this particular strap. And if you have a look on the end, you're going to find this plastic buckle. You want to make sure that this buckle, hopefully you can see this on the camera a little bit better on the close-up one. You can see that needs to be on the outside, because the way this is going to work, we're going to use this loop. Okay, let's just take that out of there. We're going to put that through the camera, through the loop, and then over to the buckle. So let's do that. I'll just turn this so you can see it a little bit easier. Make sure this loop is on the strap before you start this. Bring this all the way around. Pull it out. Make sure there's no crinkles or anything like that. And then what you want to do is bring the buckle down and drive the same part of the strap through the buckle. And we're almost done on this side. We are ready to go. Okay, once we're ready, we can turn that on the other side and then follow the strap just to make sure that we are not linking it in a twisted position. Bring it down on the other side, and we're going to do the exact same thing. Take that out through the camera, strap holder, out, and then through the buckle. Believe it or not, quite a few of our customers have trouble setting this up for the first time. I just want to make sure that this is properly strapped in. So hopefully you can see this on the camera here. Maybe I'll bring it against the white background, but now you can see how this is properly secured. So when you put this on, right, so just let me just demonstrate how you could use this. Obviously you put this over, and then you can actually, you can rest this, you can adjust it if you want it to be shorter or longer. You can do that afterwards as well. So we've got the strap on. Let's say I'd like to switch to this beautiful automatic cap. First of all, let's just open this from its pouch. Quite nice, right? What happens is, by default, you're getting this lens cap, just like any other camera. If you take that out, you'll notice that this is not going to fit right away because we have this little extra cap here. So all we need to do is just gently twist this to the left. There we go. Set it on the side, and then take the new one. You're going to have some ridges on the inside that will guide you set this up. There we go. Bear with me. And then just gently twist it to the right. And what happens, of course, this is not only functional and protects your camera, but it's also beautiful. So if you turn on the camera, this is what happens. Your camera lens will extend. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. And then when you're done and you turn off the camera, this will automatically close. All right. So hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you around in other videos. Bye-bye.